Credit Strong Review Usage Experience. Welcome to this Credit Strong Review, where I'll share my usage experience and explain how this service works to help you build credit and achieve financial goals. Links to the product are available in the description for more details. Credit Strong is a unique credit building tool designed for individuals who need to establish or improve their credit scores without relying on traditional credit cards or loans. It combines a credit builder loan with a savings account, allowing you to grow your credit while building a savings reserve simultaneously. This service is ideal for those new to credit, recovering from financial setbacks, or simply looking to improve their credit profile. Here's how it works. Credit Strong sets up a locked savings account in your name and issues a loan tied to that account. Instead of receiving loan proceeds up front, your monthly payments go toward the loan balance and build up savings in the locked account. Each on-time payment is reported to all three major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, helping to establish a positive payment history, which is crucial for improving credit scores. One of the standout features of Credit Strong is its flexibility. You can choose from multiple plans tailored to your financial goals and budget, with options for shorter or longer repayment periods. The plans are straightforward, with no hard credit check, making it accessible even for those with poor credit or no credit history. For users looking to track their progress, Credit Strong provides tools to monitor the impact of their payments on their credit score. Additionally, there's no penalty for early payoff, so you can close the account once you've reached your credit building goals. In summary, Credit Strong is an excellent choice for individuals seeking a reliable, straightforward, and effective way to build or rebuild credit while simultaneously saving money. Its user-friendly setup, flexible plans, and positive reporting to all three credit bureaus make it a standout option in the credit building space. If you're ready to take control of your credit journey, check out the links in the description to get started.